What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we're going to be unboxing shoes from St.JOHNS Bay. So I'm a huge fan of St.JOHNS Bay's khaki pants or their dress pants because they just fit just right. I've been on the search for finding the best pants and I finally did. So I'm going to go ahead and talk about the shoes. I got these from JCPenney, by the way, because that's where the brand comes from. So we're looking at St.JOHNS Bay right here. Here it is, St.JOHNS Bay. Here now, dry and cool, moisture wicking keeps you cool. Sweet, right? Moisture wicking keeps. Yes, it has a sweet memory foam. So, anyways, yeah, I got this St.JOHNS Bay Oliver Gray shoes. I'm a 10.5. It varies. I don't know. I tend to switch a lot when it comes to like things like these. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Wow, 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 wow. Now, these are actually legit. Sweet. I really, really like the cover on this. The finish, actually. To some people, it may look dirty, but it actually complements. Let me put this down. It actually complements the shoe itself. Um, oh, ooh, nice. Especially I love this right here. So I do like the styling. The grip on it is amazing. I've never seen a design like this. So that's freaking sweet. Man, now that I think about it, this looks like legitimate. So yeah, this is the St.JOHNS Bay. If you got, it's gray. By the way, guys, I guess that's the correct way to spell it. Gray or Grey. It's been the longest. It scratched my head a lot. So, anyways, here's the product number in case you are interested. It's right there at the very top. 016 1400 0067. And yeah, here it is. Memory full dry comb. So usually these shoes I'm not a big fan of, but these are dressy shoes. Let me take them out. Get this out of the way. Let's look at the details on this. I wore St.JOHNS Bay shoes before. Once again, I like their pants. I think I like their shirts. Yeah, I believe so. Mainly St.JOHNS Bay. Not an endorser for St.JOHNS Bay. They didn't pay me to say this, but St.JOHNS Bay, if you are in contact, let me know. We'll work something out. So once again, I do like the design of the foot here. I like that finish, like grip, finish off just in case, and this to catch in case you're ever walking. Really steps the heel up. You have full support right here. You don't want to have most of your foot coming down like that. I really love that they paid attention to this detail. When it comes to shoes, guys, you really have to pay attention to detail. I'm gonna go here inside. We got the yeah, dry plus cool memory foam. Nice. It is a bit, I can feel it. It is a bit kind of hard, doesn't have that much foam, but I might buy insoles for that specifically just to give me like more comfortability. Man, hopefully, yeah, the insole should help you out a lot. If you want more support, I'd recommend you getting insoles for it. But so far, yeah, these shoes, they feel like, I think they're gonna really fit me well. Now we'll look at the design. The stitching is really important as well. The stitching, many people would be like, oh, like, who cares about the stitching? Well, actually, the stitching really determines how long your shoe is gonna last. So if you see these, there's two, right? And there's three here. So each stitch actually determines how long you can wear for, how long it can withstand you breaking in the shoe. Usually if it comes with one stitch, that means you can only stretch it for so many amount of times before the stitch goes away. Same thing for the stitching under here. That will determine how long you can wear for. If there was two going along the line, yes, it would have been bigger, but I like the style of it. I really like the gray and the brown complementing each other. I think this shoe is really going to shine. People are going to be staring at my feet most of the time. They're going to ask me what shoes this is, and I'm probably going to say it's St.JOHNS Bay. What was it again? I forgot the model. Oliver Gray. Yes, yeah. I'm just gonna say Oliver Queen, Oliver shoes. So yeah, other than that, guys, that's pretty much it. It was a simple unboxing video of these shoes. Let me know in the comments if you like St. John's based shoes or specific shoes that you wear. Everybody's different. Really got these for a good price. I feel they're gonna last a while. These are medium, by the way. I know that some people wear medium and wide. I'm a wide shoe user. I really don't like medium because it basically it, but this looks like it's gonna last long. Yeah, especially there's a lot of support here, especially here. So yeah, that means it's good. I wish there was more though. But that's what makes it a dressy shoe. It complements itself. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Let me know your favorite shoe brand size, and I'll probably try them out. If you guys want to send me some stuff as well, let me know, and I'm happy to try out the shoes or recommend them. What do I think of them? But these so far, I know from the bottom feeling, I'm gonna add some insoles because I know these are gonna run out quick. But I'd rather have double the support and make them last longer. Other than that, these are like perfect for occasions, for events, parties, or if you're going to a meeting, if you're going to an interview, they will for sure look down at your shoes as soon as you walk in and you shake their hand. I want to shake your hand. They will really pay attention to your gray part of this area. Like I said, they look kind of dirty, but that's just the style. I actually like it. Usually a lot of people get black, but this makes it look stylish. So that's your I guess that would be your determine if you prefer just all black. But this, like I said before, the brown complements the gray, and it kind of works out the other way. All right, guys, that's gonna wrap it up for the St. John's Bay. Once again, Oliver Gray shoes. You can get these at JCPenney. Highly recommend them. Highly recommend their pants. Highly recommend their shirts. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll catch you later.